today we're going to do a quiz based on what we did last time, which is, if you would recall, we did of these: solution of inequality by algebraic way, solution to inequality by graphic way, and general solution to system of inequality, which is both way. So now we're going to do over all of them, do a quiz one, which is help us refresh and help us get ready for the next section and next challenges. Alright, so is one common nature is a solution of the system above. So let me copy that down first. Alright, let me copy that down. And we're asking this. So we will basically plug the number in. Alright, so 9 plus 4 multiplied by -2 is that smaller than 8. So 9 minus 8, is that smaller than 8? Well, 1 is smaller than 8. So this, he does satisfy the first equation though. Okay, it does satisfy the first equation. Let's see, does it satisfy second equation? -3 times 1 minus 7 multiplied by -2 greater than or equal to 5. Alright, so is -3 plus 14 greater than or equal to 5? Or in other way, it says, is 11 greater than 5? Yeah, it is. Since this is both of the equation, yes, it's a solution to the system above. Next, we are going to solve this question. Another similar question, except it's not a system anymore, which is good since we just need to verify one equation. So, is 2x minus 7y smaller than or equal to -10? And use the solution. Well, plug the answer in. Plug the answer in. Smaller or equal to -10. 4 minus 28. Is that smaller than or equal to -10? Yes, it is. Because it's a really an even more negative number. I'm gonna call it negativier. Okay, I mean that word. So it's smaller than that anyway, right? So it is a solution to this equation inequality above. And next up, alright, this is 3 is a solution to graph inequality. So 1, 3. It's in shaded area. So yeah, it's a graph. It's a solution. All right. So it's -2, -3. Oh, -2, -3. A graph system inequality. All right. So in the last tutorial, we really focused on this question. And yeah, as always, if you forget about them, you can always check this corner for informations. Alright, anyway, let's back up a little bit. So, I want to go over with you again, because this is somewhat important concept that I want you all to know. Okay? So, I draw one for my own grid. Alright. So, let's take a look. Suppose I have a graph from... Alright, I'm gonna randomly draw some lines because it will be difficult for me to find. Oh, it's not a ruler. Alright, so this and the area shaded, which is right here, of these areas. And let me draw red using ruler. And this is going to be all the way right here. Alright. So let's take a look. I know I didn't shade it well because I don't have time to shade them. Okay, so just imagine that this is whole shaded area below this line, and in the right hand side and below this line are shaded, okay, in different color. So is this point satisfy both of the equations? Well, it definitely satisfies the blue lines, alright, because it's inside the blue shaded area. But does it satisfy red? No, it doesn't satisfy red, right? Because red is right here and this blue is right here, right? It does not have a connection between the red, so it's not a solution. Well, same way, is this a solution to a system? No, it's only appearing red. Well, really a solution to the system is this triangle right here. Is this triangle right here, and so on and so forth. Alright, so unless there's a point right here, else it does not satisfy both of the equations. I mean inequality. So -2 and 3, -2 and -3 only satisfy blue one, so it's not a solution for the graph system above. Okay, so final question. Is -2, 0 a point? Remember, okay? Remember, I've been saying this, right? I've been talking to you about that and about this, right? So, this dashed line, what's that mean? If a point on dashed line, it count in the inequality. Inequality. If it's in dashed line, we can just remember this, okay? If it's a solid line, it means it's now not in the inequality. Alright? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so it's a dashed line, it's right there. So it's a dashed line, which is still in the inequality. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'd have it wrong. I'm sorry, my bad. So, cross that out, cross that out. It means yes. I want to say yes, sorry. Yeah, I'm still confusing. So, no. Alright, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, I messed it up. Okay. So, anyway, that will be it for today's video. And remember again, solid line means solid line. Darn it! Wait, what am I doing? So, dashed line means yes, or dashed line means no. It's not in the inequality. Alright, well, solid line means yes, it's in the inequality. Sorry about that mistake. It's a huge mistake.